JRV Mitchell at Camping World in Buford, Georgia. Today is a beautiful day to buy an RV. Today we are looking at a 2024 Forest River Ozark 1660FQX. It comes in at 22 feet with a dry weight of 3,009 pounds. It sleeps 3 people. As you can see, it has a nice rock guard here. Help prevent your paint from chipping. Got a nice LED in the overhang. Has removable accessibility with the underbelly panels. It's got a mattress in here. Looks like it's a queen. Folds up, plenty of storage underneath there. A lot of storage in the overhead bins. We got a nice microwave, nice sink, 2-burner stove, dinette that converts into a bed. Nice size fridge. Nice size fridge. Got our shower. Plenty of room on the toilet here with a nice sink over here against the wall. Place for your TV. It's a beautiful unit. Comes with a JBL Bluetooth speaker. Come get it before it's gone, folks. Beautiful day to buy a camper. We're out here at Camping World in Buford, Georgia, under the great big American flag. You can't miss it. We're right off of 85. 2289 Rock Quarry Road here in Buford. Look us up online or come see us. When you get here, ask for JRV Mitchell.